क्या हाल है भाई सब लोगों के। आज हम वापस आ चुके हैं। आज हम दो नहीं, आज हम 2 से 3 हो चुके हैं।
वाह भाई,
मिलो भाई ने बच्चे से।
ये हमारे भाई है।
भाई नहीं, मेरा बच्चा है।
मेरा बच्चा है तो
ए,
भाई आपका बच्चा हूँ मैं।
ये हमारा भाई है, द गोट ओमी,
द शूटर।
ओमी मास्टर।
ग्रेटेस्ट ऑफ ऑल टाइम इन दोनों को मैं हरा देता हूँ।
अच्छा,
सपनों में।
वो दिखाएंगे आपको, शॉर्ट्स पे दिख जाएगा।
आगे पता चल जाए।
नहीं, ये हम दोनों के अलावा बाकी किसी को भी कुक कर सकता है कोड में, कोई
Let's
दिक्कत
just continue.
नहीं। हाँ, लेट्स कंटिन्यू।
चलिए।
आज हम क्रिएट करने वाले हैं टीम्स। ओमी भाई एक टीम क्रिएट करेंगे, मैं एक टीम क्रिएट करूंगा और अरावर भाई एक टीम क्रिएट करेंगे। अब करेंगे टॉस पहले, क्योंकि देखो फेयर उसका होना चाहिए। टॉस करेंगे।
एक काम करते हैं गाइस, हमारे पे इस वक्त हमारी सोसाइटी का एंट्री कार्ड है, हम इसे उछाल दें।
या इंडिया में सब होता है, हाथ लाओ, हाथ लाओ। इंडिया में
तीन का ताला भाई।
हाथ
आओ
लाओ।
भाई।
चलो।
3 का ताला।
जोर करो, बोलो। जो पहले गया वो पहले जाएगा। चलो
3 का ताला बंद।
ठीक है, मैं फर्स्ट हूँ। रॉक पेपर सीजर करो दोनों।
हाँ।
रॉक पेपर सीजर करो दोनों।
Kamovic.
ये गले सेकंड, तू लास्ट। कोई नहीं, इट्स ऑल फेयर एंड स्क्वायर। You will
अच्छा, तो
choose
सही ना?
two players. You will
1, 1, 2?
Yes, you will.
I will.
But we'll take your players, don't worry.
I'll take.
I'm first, bro. I'm first.
I am first, man.
I am first. I get to choose
मुझे पता है आप क्या करोगे।
LeBron fucking James.
MTCB.
In my team
पता
as my small forward. Okay?
Sunshine.
Of course, he'll be my, main man. He will get to do all
And-
the triple doubles, all the rebounds,
Guys,
assists, everything.
ये वो बंदा है जिसने भी इससे पहले वाली
Bro,
वीडियो
it's
में
not about the greatest of all
फर्स्ट
time.
नंबर पे
It's-
एमजे रखा था।
Bro, it's about making a team, and I'm making the best team. And these are all players in
Better
their
than
primes,
me.
of course, in their primes. We are talking about prime players. Okay? So one of the greatest
Better than
defenders,
me.
one of the greatest scorers, one of the greatest triple double scorers of all time. ठीक है? LeBron
ठीक है.
James. Let's go. Omi bhai.
LeBron James.
I took LeBron James.
I'll take Larry Bird, small forward.
Okay. Larry Legend. Why is he laughing, man? Why is he laughing?
अभी पता चल जाएगा।
I know. Why is he laughing?
अब
Okay, I respect that position.
Please don't
Larry
speak
Bird,
by.
okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
You want to explain it?
No.
Explain anything about it?
No
Why you
explanation,
chose
guys.
him?
No. Larry is. What
Of
is
course,
there
Larry.
to explain about
Okay,
Larry
okay, okay,
Bird?
okay, okay.
तो
Let's go.
जिसका कभी गेम देखा है।
I have
है?
watched Larry
अच्छा,
Bird
okay.
play, of course.
Okay, so I have 2 picks, right?
Yes, sir.
On PG, Magic Johnson. And on SG, Michael Jordan.
Okay, you get 2 picks. Don't worry. Doesn't matter, bro. Doesn't matter.
That's okay.
Because you know it is a team. You don't.
But you guys are cooked in front
We
of
are
me.
not
Nah,
cooked. We
yeah,
are
nah.
not cooked. Your turn.
My turn.
Yes.
I'll take Steph, point guard.
Point guard. Okay.
Mitchell on Curry, slammed on the brakes.
Okay.
Greatest shooter of all.
You took?
I took Magic Johnson
Okay.
and Michael Jordan.
Okay. You took? Steph.
Stephen Curry.
I get to choose 2 players now, right? I choose at my center Shaquille O'Neal.
Okay.
I choose Shaq at my center. The second player I'd like to choose is KG.
Bro, no,
Bhai.
Bro, you ditched me.
No, I like some defense on my team. Don't worry.
I thought you will.
I have my team.
Bro.
Don't worry.
So,
man. Let's
I
go.
think-
No, it's his turn now.
No, it's my turn, it's my turn.
No. We have chosen 3 players. Have we chosen 3 players?
No, it's my last pick.
Take Doug, power forward.
Huh.
This is Rick Swamp Production.
Or
Power forward.
for reason.
Greatest fadeaway.
better than everybody else in your
Better
team?
than everybody.
Okay, okay.
Bro,
accept
if
that.
you're
You get to choose. Just choose one player right now.
If you're really talking about some defense,
Okay.
so I will add some rebound and hustle on power forward Dennis Rodman.
Trailhead just at the All-Star game. Goes baseline. Nobody home. Rodman. Check this out.
Bruh, no.
Bro,
man.
Having
Okay.
MJ and
I thought you put Sean Kemp, but
Who did you choose? What? MJ?
Magic, MJ, and
Okay.
Dennis, bro, goated team of my
His
fucking
team is
god.
cooked, man. I will tell you
है
one
ना?
thing,
My
okay?
team will cook everyone's
We
ass.
all have 3 players.
Yes.
Now it's
Bro,
the
no.
trivia round.
No, yaar, no, yaar.
It's the fucking trivia round. But before that, this is the bell for the trade deadline. Anybody
Trade.
wants to trade?
you want to trade?
Okay.
Actually, I
wait.
want to trade.
Will you give me?
What?
Will you give me Steph for Shaq? Or KG?
Hell no.
Will you give me
किसके बदले में?
MJ for KG?
No, guy, no.
Give me.
Keep it.
Will you give me
Then
Doc for Rodman?
Dirk for what?
And Magic Johnson. I'll give you Larry too.
Oh, wait.
Oh, there you are swapping
Give me-
teams. You are
Give me
swapping
a
teams.
minute. Give me a minute. I have to think about it.
You are
I'll give
swapping
you Larry
teams.
You are
Doc
giving me Larry Bird.
and Doc.
Bro, this is.
You have to give
That's
me.
a really good trade, guys.
Okay, there's only
Oh
10
my
seconds
God.
left. 10.
Wait.
No. 9,
Larry.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
Accepted.
Okay.
It's a deal, Mr. Om Sharma.
damn.
I get. I get.
You get Dennis Rodman and Magic Johnson.
Okay.
He fucked himself.
Now it's the game changer round.
Bro, no.
This is the
No.
king swapping round.
That's why he's waiting.
Yes, I'm
We don't
waiting
want
for
to
this.
give any trade.
I am waiting for this round. Okay, let's go.
Okay.
This is the trivia round. What we're gonna do, guys, is we'll choose a topic. We'll choose, he'll go one player, I'll go one player, I'll go one player, or a team, of course, whatever the topic is. And the one who cannot answer further will get out. And the one who's the last man standing can swap any player from any of those teams and give one player in
Can I
exchange.
get one?
Only one player.
Only one player.
Yes.
So, like we have to
Swap
exchange.
completely. Yes, exchange without any questions.
All I didn't do.
So the topic is gonna be, guys, and I'm thinking, just right now, the topic is gonna be players that are playing in the league right now.
Okay.
Okay. Go on.
Should I
Go on. Start. Three.
Level the ball.
LeBron James.
Shea.
3,
Shea.
2, O'Shea. Huh?
Giannis.
Luka.
Westbrook.
Okay.
Shit.
Go on.
James Harden.
Zach Levine.
Nikola.
Go on. 3,
Porter
Two.
Jr.
Austin Reeves.
Steph Curry.
Bronny James Jr.
Shit! Yes!
I want to slow. I want to slow.
No, you have to go on now. You both are done.
Please.
Continue. You start. You go.
Okay.
Continue.
अच्छा तो अभी जो लास्ट में
Yes, continue.
Okay.
Okay.
Wait. यानिस का भाई क्या नाम है उसका? Thanasis.
He's not in the league right now.
Thanasis.
He's not in the league right now. You're out.
No, I don't know about him. Wemby.
Okay,
Nah.
चलो.
मेरे को पता है ना भाई.
We'll give it that. Okay, we'll give it that.
Wemby.
CP3.
Clay Thompson.
Lonzo Ball.
James Harden.
James Harden.
हो गया. James Harden हो गया.
James Harden हो गया.
I said James Harden.
अभी recording check कर रहा हूँ.
No. I said James Harden.
अभी काउंटर चालू हुआ है. अभी काउंटर चालू हुआ है.
नहीं कैंसर तूने
You
बोल दिया
cannot
उसका
say
भाई
anything.
नहीं
I
बोला
already
उसने
said.
बोल दिया जेम्स
You
हार्डन
cannot repeat.
तूने James Harden
I
बोला.
he
मैं
has
मेरे recording check.
नो ही हैज सेड जेम्स मैं गारंटी
100%. 100%. I'm the goat.
जेम्स हार्डन बोल दिया
What?
तो ये से swap कर सकते हैं.
Yes, he can swap. No, we cannot.
Oh.
You can just take it and give one player, any player.
Oh yeah.
Take his
Any
player, any player.
But I have to have.
You have to give one player, of course.
Mine, right?
Yes.
Okay, I'll give you Magic
For?
MJ.
Oh, damn! The swap of the era, man. Let's go.
I had Steph
that's the
already. I
power
don't
of
know
the
why I
that's the
chose
power
Magic.
of the swapping round, and this is why we have kept in this draft. You felt it? I'm safe right now. Okay, I'm safe right now.
He felt it
How are
down
you feeling?
there.
How are you feeling?
So fucked up.
That's
I
how,
will take my
that's
revenge.
how I felt when you kept Steph Curry in the honorable mention in the last. Okay, let's go. Let's carry on. Whose turn? Your turn.
Now my turn. I haven't chose center yet.
Okay.
So I would like to have James Harden.
Oh shit!
Oh.
It's my turn.
Nonchalance.
My turn, na? I have to choose my PG and FG, right?
Can you please answer?
Okay. So I gotta go. I'm choosing Kyrie at my PG.
Bro, I know your plan. अगर ये मेरे से मैच कर गया था.
Kyrie and LeBron in the same team is
exactly.
so weird.
Now your turn.
That's
Two
right.
picks.
They are trying.
Two picks.
They are listen. This is chemistry, bro. This is chemistry.
Don't worry.
That team doesn't have any chemistry, man.
Good.
You need
the dream team.
Okay,
I
the
will.
dream team. Okay, let's go. Go on.
I will.
Two players. Your last two
I'll
players.
take Kevin Durant on small forward.
I took a break, but I'm back on my bullshit. I got a scan on, I'm back on them cool shit. Put up on me, you want me, it ain't cool shit. I accidentally with no time at Gucci. Every time I suck it, when I learn. I ain't hit sounds like rock with no shine. You can get hit with that pocket to burn. Slow on these punch, but I feel like a worm. Bitch, I be geek, you can call me a nerd. I got it easy, me, I get jeans and a cold horse. Yeah, sit on my shirt.
I'll take AI at shooting art.
But he can change the position, na? You can.
Can I keep KD on my power forward then?
Yes, you can. Why not?
Okay, I'll take KD on my power forward.
All right.
I'll keep small forward Michael Jordan.
All right.
PG Steph.
All right.
And shooting guard, I'll take AI.
Just write it down, na? Your team right now.
Okay.
Center.
I'll take AI at shooting guard.
Okay. Just write it down. Write it down. Your team is complete.
Yeah.
Who is the
Yeah.
center? Who is the center?
I don't have center.
How?
No, I don't have center.
How about
You
this?
only have 4 players.
Yeah.
Bro, this was the last round, na?
No, this.
You had 3 players last round. You got to choose 2
You are
players.
missing something.
You are missing some player.
What did I miss? Oh, I have Rodman.
Yes, you have Rodman.
I have.
He has Rodman. That's why.
I have
Who is the center then, bro? You don't have a... Okay, you can
Rodman is my center.
keep us... Alright. Rodman
By
is
the way, I
center.
got
Yeah.
Magic again.
Okay, it's my turn. I have to keep Ant-Man at my SG.
12 left. 4-4 game.
I know what he's
Anthony
thinking.
Edwards.
I know what he is thinking. Now I have 2 picks.
Anthony Edwards at my
Now I
SG.
have 2 picks. Do you have center?
What?
Center.
I have a center Rodman. I have a center.
What?
Yeah.
So एक भी center नहीं लिया. Do you have?
नहीं मैंने center नहीं लिया है अभी.
Now
Okay,
I will do something very
No.
historic and iconic.
Right now, we have to still go for the 6th one. Go, you start. 6th one.
My pick now. I think Dr. J. Great pick, I know.
And the 6th man, it's my turn. I have to keep a 6th man. I have to keep Kobe, man.
No,
Yes,
the sixth
center.
one.
Did you take Wilt?
No.
No.
I'll take Wilt as my center. And I'll
There
take.
was a better. He could have gone
Yes.
for someone
No,
better.
I'll take
Bro.
Wilt as my center.
Okay, now
Okay,
it's
okay.
confirmed, but Bill
Why
Russell-
did you choose Will Chamberlain above Bill Russell and Hakeem Olajuwon?
Hakeem
and
Olajuwon-
David Robinson?
Yes. Why did you
I
choose?
don't know any David Robinson.
Okay, bruh. Okay. Go on.
I forget about those.
Okay.
I just remembered Wilt.
Why did you choose Wilt?
Wilt, I just know Wilt.
But okay, there should be a reason to choose him over Hakeem.
Because he's Wilt.
Okay.
Just because he scored 100 points.
Okay.
That's it.
The name of the player speaks for itself.
Okay, so now that.
But this is the
Now
trade.
game changer.
The trade era first. This is the trade
fuck
deadline,
no.
and this is the trade deadline
I
after
am
this
not
one
getting
trade.
any player. Fuck
This
off.
is-
I am also not giving any player.
No, but if there's a good
Yeah, I
trade,
can
okay?
give you something.
I'm giving you something.
What?
I'm giving people something. I'm giving this guy something. All right. So will you give me
No.
Magic Johnson
No.
for KG?
No.
for KG.
No.
Kevin Garnett.
I have Dirk Nowitzki, bro.
But KG, bro, you can
No,
keep
I
Dirk
don't
at
want.
your small forward line.
I don't want. It's okay, man.
Do you want
I don't want anything.
anything? No
Don't
trade.
start that game
You don't-
changer.
You guys don't want to trade? Okay, let's start the game.
I'll
changer
give
now.
you AI. Give me Shaq.
Bro. Come
Okay.
on. Okay, now this is the game changer round.
First, you tell the topic.
All right, wait. Now, let me think of a topic right now. Okay, this is a good topic. We will have to name players who have won a ring.
No, fuck no. This is
Wait.
No.
It's very tough.
This is very tough.
That's why.
But majority, bro. Majority is saying no.
Let's just
Bro.
say go teams. No, I don't want
No teams, bro. What?
Okay, let's just go players that
No,
have won
bro.
a championship.
Bro,
It's-
let's go.
there are so
It's
many
very tough.
people. I think
But
800
there are
something
championship or ring?
bro.
Rings. Championship exactly.
Acha, okay.
Go.
Okay, it is so
Wait, Dennis
difficult,
Rodman.
man. LeBron,
Steph.
Michael.
Doug,
KD.
KG.
Rodman,
The Kobe.
Draymond.
Go on.
Andrew Wiggins,
And okay. Shaq.
Clay.
Jordan Poole,
Okay. Tim Duncan.
And that Magic.
Tony Parker,
Dirk.
Larry.
Kyrie,
Oh fuck. Kyrie.
One.
Anthony Davis.
Dwayne.
Anthony Davis has not won shit.
AD has won in
Bro,
2020.
no.
2018 Lakers.
2020 Lakers.
2018
Okay,
Lakers.
my bad.
Yes. Go on.
What did you say?
I don't remember, but I said.
Go on.
You-
Go on. He
Okay,
said.
I said Larry.
Go on.
Dwight Howard,
Okay. JaVale McGee.
Joel.
McGee. Go on, quick.
he's dead.
Three.
Gavin.
Okay.
George Gervin.
Michael
That was
Porter,
very
Michael
good.
Porter Jr.,
Michael Porter Jr. Okay. Nikola Jokic.
And Kawhi Leonard.
Okay.
Jamal Murray,
Giannis.
Green.
Green.
Green that.
Okay. Go on.
Jalen Brown.
First from
Jason Tatum.
Tim Duncan.
All right. One.
I said Tim Duncan already.
No.
I did.
Did
I
it?
did.
Did it?
No, nahi.
I said Tim Duncan already.
Either he or I have said Tim Duncan.
I have said Tim Duncan.
Tim Duncan has been done.
Right.
Tim Duncan has been done.
was his first
Tim
pick, I
Duncan
think.
has been done. Tim Duncan has been done.
Hey guys, so as you guys saw in the video, during the trivia round, Om said Rodman, but AK had already said that, and I also said Dirk, which was said by AK already, and so Om and I should have been out that round, but we instead removed AK from the round. So sorry AK bro. And AK would have won that round and the game, but I won the game. So sorry for that to AK, my brother. So guys, next time it does not happen, we'll try our best and we'll try to be as professional as we can. And thank you guys for supporting us. Please like, share and comment on this video and subscribe to our channel and share the video as much as you can.
Go on.
Okay, I don't know any other players.
Bro. Go on.
1,
3,
2,
2,
3.
1.
Done. Bro. No, bro, please.
I have officially done it.
Arey, I was
I have
thinking
officially-
about that bald fucking piece
I
of
have,
shit.
I have officially.
What is his name?
Manu Ginobili.
No, he won
But this
with
was
the,
good.
He won with the
Was
Bucks.
Was this good? Dame time. Nobody.
Dame didn't win
Dame hasn't
shit.
won. Sorry, Dame hasn't. Hakeem. Nobody said Hakeem. But I have officially done.
I
Nobody.
wanted-
why did I say
nobody-
Bill
nobody-
Russell? man?
Nobody said Kareem. Nobody said Wilt. Nobody said.
I didn't
Bill
say
Russell.
Bill Russell.
I had so many in my mind. Okay.
I
okay,
fucked up.
bro.
I should have
done
said
it.
no.
I have
Wait,
done
guys.
it.
I should have said
Wait,
Kevin Love, man.
A-Seed.
I have done it, bro.
I want
I
to clear
don't
my
care.
doubt. I have to check the recording.
I have done it.
Bro, Lord, I fucked up.
I have done it officially, guys. I am the fucking goat of this game.
Just don't take my
but
sentence.
but
Just
this
don't take
this
it.
okay. I will not take a sentence.
Thank you. I love you.
I will not take someone who you cannot replace. All right,
Please.
bro. You have to tell me your team. I know. I know. I have already chosen what I have to.
Just don't take Steph.
Doesn't matter.
Bro, his team is far better than us.
I have officially,
my team's
I have
doing
officially
this
done it.
shit garbage team.
I give you Ant-Man. I get Steph.
No.
And
I don't have a PG then.
I don't care, bro.
I
You have
have
Ant-Man. You have to Ant-Man. You have Ant-Man.
Oh.
Ant-Man. Kyrie is my FG.
Okay, where do I put Ant-Man then?
FG or PG? Anything.
Yeah, I can put
Bro.
him on small forward, right?
Bro, you fucked him up.
I don't
That was
care.
right. Actually,
Just right position. Right your position.
that was my main strategy. Like, I was like, that.
That's why I kept Ant-Man. I was
This
hoping.
I also kept that Harden that I will change with MJ, but
you
then I
lost.
fucked up.
You fucked up, man.
Bro, but he fucked him so bad.
I have
And
officially
he's
done
bleeding
it.
right now. I can see.
I have
Still gonna
officially
beat
done
your
it.
ass.
I have officially done it, guys.
but I don't think his team is better than me.
But wait,
My team is
wait,
gonna sit on your team.
wait. We are gonna talk about positional team, all everything.
And PG, Magic Johnson.
All right,
Shooting guard, James Harden.
all right,
And अपना small forward, Larry Bird.
all right.
Power forward, Dirk Nowitzki. Center Kareem. It's a decent team.
Do you even know how many ball dominant
Kareem
players
and-
we have?
wait.
How many ball dominant players we have? What will Kareem do without the ball? Bro, but he
Long.
has to have
okay,
the
wait.
ball now.
देखो.
Okay.
You have Shaq.
All right.
I have Kareem. ठीक है.
Okay. It's
Like-
not 1v1 man.
यार.
Shaq is the. What can Kareem do against Shaq in the paint? What can he do against him in the paint?
That's the main.
Shaq is the most dominant player. He won't even stand a chance in the paint. Come on.
But
Okay.
no one can do anything against Shaq in the team.
Yes, of course.
Except Charles Barkley.
Bro, that's the better fight. Wilt versus Kareem is a better fight than Shaq versus Kareem. Come on. It's not about who is the best center of
No
all
one's
time.
winning from
It's
the
about who's the
paint.
more dominant in a
अच्छा,
team.
so let's
Okay.
decide whose team is better.
You have Dirk at your power forward.
Yes.
Okay. Larry, small forward, Harden. You know, Magic, and all these are ball dominant players. Magic, Harden, Larry. What are they gonna do without the ball? What are they gonna do without the ball?
That's why I
You
choose
don't have
Dirk.
good defense, man. Who will be your defender?
I got defense.
You don't have good.
Dirk Nowitzki.
Bro, one defense.
Larry Bird.
Then
And
Larry
Kareem.
was not a very good.
Larry
So
was
Dr.
not
J.
a good
Dr.
defender.
J.
But you are not always gonna play him. Now, who will you replace him with? You'll always
Who's the
gonna
sixth man?
power forward or.
As small forward, Dr. J. Ever replaced Larry
So
Bird.
you will have a problem of ball dominance. Who will play the ball? Simple as that. We'll talk about Omi's team right now. Okay, we'll come to your team.
Omi, what the fuck is Omi?
Okay, Home's team. Alright. Home team. Wilt, KD, Ant-Man, AI and MJ and Rodman. I think this. You know, I'm no. His
I
team is
think
not
this
bad.
team
I'm
is
telling you
well
why.
balanced,
I'm
man.
telling you why. KD and MJ. There's no question. He has one of the best scoring teams out of all.
No, I
You know,
think
very
I have.
Wait, I have a point.
He has defense. I'm not talking about he does not have defense. You know, Ant-Man is a good defender.
MJ
Okay,
is a good
is a good
defender.
defender. AI has the crossovers. He can play without the ball. Sorry.
And I have Rodman on my sixth.
Yes, of course. Why?
Don't you think that
Wilt and KD
MJ
can
and
play without the
AI
ball? What? Bro, it's not about positional dominance, man. It's about the team. You're not understanding.
At least I have chemistry.
So what's the
man.
problem in my team?
Your team doesn't have chemistry.
Chemistry, it's about the
Everyone
chemistry.
wants
भाई
to
एक
get
बात
the
no
ball.
space.
सुनो
You have
जब
to
ड्रीम
have
टीम बनी देखो भाई जब ड्रीम टीम बनी थी तब भी किसी का कोऑर्डिनेशन नहीं था कॉलेज प्लेयर्स ने ड्रीम टीम को 40-50 से हराया था ठीक है बट आफ्टर सम टाइम ऑफ प्रैक्टिस ठीक है द ड्रीम टीम
So it's not about practice.
Bhai,
man.
yaar.
These are all in their primes. You cannot change them. These are all players in their prime. You cannot change them. You don't have spacing in your team. The
Bro.
first problem. The
I
first
will
problem
be their
is-
coach I will be their
You'll
coach
be their coach.
Your
Ah.
team is very.
Now-
Your team is all bigs, man. Almost all bigs you have in your team, man. Listen, that's a problem. I have Shaq. Okay, you cannot beat me at defense right now, man. I have Shaq, LeBron, and KG. You cannot beat me in defense.
I can beat you in defense.
but I am
He's closer in defense.
I'm
He's
closer in
literally
offense
closer.
too.
I'm inspired
Yes, he's closer in offense, but as a team, I think you both are very equal. That's a
think
team.
I am inspired by 2025
You know, the last pick,
That's why my offensive-
the last pick was clutch for me. Otherwise, my team wouldn't have been.
I think
But
my
wait,
offense
now I
is
can
better
explain.
than
I can
your
explain. Wait, like Magic Johnson.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Bro, Steph, Shaq, and LeBron. You're saying you have a better offense than me.
No, I have better offense than you. Yes.
Bro, wait. अब मैं
Okay.
let me define my Magic Johnson.
Okay.
ठीक है. Good handles.
Okay.
Passing में अच्छी है.
Alright.
ठीक है. And scoring भी कर ही लेगा. तो passing के लिए तो ये ball rotation के लिए ये बंदा है.
Okay.
ठीक है.
Okay.
For post, Dirk Nowitzki.
Okay.
He can box out and rebound.
Post.
Okay.
ठीक
Okay.
है.
Okay. Okay.
By power forward.
Okay. Okay. Go on.
ठीक है. James Harden.
Okay.
Role player with Magic Johnson.
Bro, but he
No.
cannot roll with Magic. Bro, he.
Okay, wait.
Larry
Forget
Bird,
Harden for a minute. ठीक है.
But you are
Larry
understanding.
Bird knows how to play off the ball.
Okay.
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 And Kareem, a pure center.
Okay, okay.
ठीक है. The main problem is Harden. I
Alright.
can replace Dr. J with Harden.
But then Dr. J can't do.
Dr. J is
But
not-
who's it? Bro,
Dr. J is not a shooter.
Bro,
He's
but
a paint area attacker.
You should have had a good defender. You know, like Rodman, KG, and all that kind of. That's why I was trading KG for.
But in
KG, right?
Yes, I have KG. That's why I'm telling.
but in 2K, I can cook what's the player? LeBron James.
Bro, 2x.
with
This is
Ant-Man.
not 2. He's talking about 2K, man. Come on. These are players in their primes. These are players in their primes. Okay.
Bro,
So,
I think if they're players in their primes, I have the best team. No, you have the best team. I have the second.
No,
best.
but
the last
offense.
pick.
I'm
The
just
last
talking
Bro,
about
player in the
offense.
prime. He's in the prime.
Bro, players in
Player in the prime.
Bro,
देखो
Yeah.
अच्छा ठीक है I totally agree कि as a team coordination
Yes.
I will not win but
yes.
like
You might win, we're not saying, but
You will not win.
it's not about on paper. It's if what happens in a 7-game series, you don't have chemistry, you will be, not that successful in the long run. That's what we are saying. We are not saying that it's not.
अच्छा wait, what's your team?
My team: Shaq, KG, LeBron, Kyrie, and Steph.
It's the best.
अच्छा ठीक है.
I have the best balance of team. That you know why? I have Steph and Kyrie for the ball handles and all. They are the most. They can be ball dominant as they want. KG and LeBron can literally play pick and roll, and Shaq is the paint guy, of course.
अच्छा देखो, you know
That's why my team is.
You know that older.
And if I need more defense, I'll switch Kyrie for Kobe. That's as simple as that.
Bro, wait. Like, do you really think that MJ will not play selfish? Like, we're talking about his prime.
Bro, but he's the scorer. He can play selfish.
So, in my team, all are scorers.
I don't have any
That's the
other
problem.
selfish.
That's the problem. No defense.
I don't have any
defense
other
in your
players that is selfish.
team. You
other
don't
than
have defense
Michael
in your
Jordan.
team. Who will defend your team, man? Who will defend?
Bro, wait. वैसे भी NBA में man to man खेलते हैं क्योंकि अंदर रहने पे 3 second violation हो जाती है.
Bro, the
There's
only,
no
the
defense,
only
only
quick,
man to
the
man.
only quick defender in your team is Magic Johnson. Dirk was not that fast at defense.
Dr. Julius.
He cannot play front to back. But he's the 6th man. He's like 10% of the team right now. He's the 6th man.
So now, how can we decide that?
Bro, I have the best team. Bro, that's undebatable. That's undebatable. Last pick saved me. I was not.
Wait, I think.
I was not this
Wait,
good.
I respect your picks
Yes.
because obviously LeBron James and Kobe, Shaq, Kevin Garnett, Steph Curry and Kyrie also.
Yes.
You have the best team.
Yes.
ठीक है. But on second position, it should be my team.
Hell
Okay,
no.
that
Bro,
Hell no,
please,
hell
okay.
no,
please.
The video is over right now.
Hell no,
Okay.
hell no.
The video is over. I have the
we
best
all
team.
accept
no.
officially he has the best team. But on
guys,
second, it should be
please,
mine, guys.
Please write in the comments who has the best team amongst all three, and give us a ranking of your team. Okay?
I'm
Is that
second.
fine?
You know I'm second.
I
If
don't
you
know.
had to,
Wait,
if you had to,
give me your honest review.
My honest opinion.
if you had to choose,
You know my team is better than
No,
you.
wait. I'll give you what I think about that. In a 7-man series, sorry, 7-game series. Sorry.
I'm winning 4-0, bro. Come
Bro.
on.
I think, man, bro, he has really better.
Bro, why all of them are
his
speaking always? Why?
No, bro, his scoring is right. Bro, his scoring is goated in this.
Don't
team,
talk
man.
to me.
Bro, the scoring in this
Bro, I have
team,
the
man.
best.
Bro, KD, MJ, Ant-Man.
Bro, he doesn't have the best offense, bro.
Bro, I have KD and MJ.
Bro, it's not just about offense. You don't
KD
understand. Their offensive game is strong because
And
they have
this is
front to
KD
back.
and MJ in their
You
prime.
don't have front to back. You have all bigs. Ant-Man is literally
Bro.
one of the fastest players, man.
Let's-
He can play.
Bro, let's restart this review.
Hell no.
No.
Bro,
It's done.
please.
I have,
Bro, he's first and
I have
second,
officially
third,
cooked
bro.
in this list. I have
Dekho,
officially
I-
cooked.
Just by stealing my
Night,
step.
night,
By stealing my step.
He's
Night,
my
night,
beloved Steph
His team is
Curry.
number 1.
Night.
His team is number 1. ठीक है.
Nah, I got MJ, bro.
But bro, second is mine, भाई.
Nah.
Okay guys, it's up to you. आप
According
बताना
to-
कि second पे कौन है. ठीक
It's
है,
a
आपको
toss-up
भी सुन रहे हैं. And I know you love your AK भाई. मेरे को पता है. Thank you. फटाफट कमेंट और कर दो. इसके ये मेरे से ऊपर जाएगा भाई. है?
Of course, bhai.
ओम भाई से मिलते रहेंगे वीडियोस में.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay भाई. Bye.
If you really wanna know, these women when they come and go.